Hello and welcome, guys. I'm Ananya from Ananya's Nourish Me. And today I thought, with all festivities almost on the verge of ending this new year, we are yet to consume this new year with our sugar cravings. And unlike most Indians, all of us are very fond of sugar. And we have switched it. I thought of discussing these studies and insights I have found about us Indians. We all Indians are fond of sugar and know it already. And can you imagine how much we consume? An adult consumes over 10 tablespoons of sugar a day, which is way more than what we need. We need 3 teaspoons sugar a day. So, a survey has shown that the highest sugar consuming city in India is Mumbai, followed by Ahmedabad, Delhi, and then Bangalore, Kolkata, and then Hyderabad. They are the most 6 cities that highest sugar consumption. We all know excessive sugar consumption can lead to disease conditions like weight gain, diabetes, heart diseases, high inflammation in the body, and high BP and cholesterol. By adapting a low sugar diet, we can not only improve from all these health conditions, but we will also start seeing a difference in our skin tone. We start seeing a reduced inflammation in the body. Most of us have in mind where to start and how to start. And even if we have taken a few steps, sometimes we know that we're not able to sustain for long, more than a few days or a week. So today I'll give you a few very doable and simple steps. First one, start gradually from low sugar to no sugar. Start lowering your sugar intake. Add lesser sugar in your coffee, tea, and beverages. Swap your sodas and juices with flavored or fused water. Start opting for low added sugar in grains. Opting for cereals and grains that has low added sugar. Have a plain yogurt instead of flavored yogurt, which is always, they come with added sugar. Second point, importantly, cut the obvious sources of sugar like the bakeries, the sweet cereals, the breakfast cereals. Try to cut down all the patisseries, biscuits, breads with a lot of added sugar in it. Try and avoid frozen drinks like ice creams and sorbets. Third, and very importantly, start reading the food labels. Most of us do not notice, but a lot of sugar substitutes are being introduced in the name of sugar. Thumb rule is look for ingredients that ends with OSE. O's, maltose, dextrose, sucrose, fructose, galactose. All these are forms of sugar, and they, with different names, are added in our food groups daily basis. Whenever you go to a supermarket, kindly keep a track. Very important point. Number 4, avoid artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are way much sweeter than sugar, and the body gets an indication that we are feeding on sugar. So in time, the body would get a more sugar craving with time. So control your artificial sweetness on a daily basis. Fifth, it's not what we eat, but what we drink. So the sugar found in juices, beverages, soda, cokes, hot chocolates, flavored milk, coffee, and teas. So kindly avoid flavored or sweetened beverages as well. So adding more sugar or low sugar Does not mean you have to cut out all your flavors and seasonings. You can add some cardamom or cinnamon sticks in your tea and coffee or some beverages. Little sweet taste. But definitely what you need to avoid is the sweeteners. And try to go low sugar than no sugar. Try and introduce more of natural form of sugars like fresh fruits, try fruits like dates, apricots, and ensure you do not overdo with the quantities and give in to your sugar cravings. Eat wisely, stay healthy. These are few tips, and I'm sure if you start following them, you will definitely go from no sugar to low sugar. And in no time, you will see a huge difference in the outcome of your weight, of your health, and your digestion. So stay tuned and know more. If you like your information, my information, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Signing off, Ananya.